Welcome to Tyler's Animal World. Hello, welcome. We're under the sea today.
What do you get when you mix a unicorn with a whale? A narwhal. These amazing animals live in the Arctic and live quite well, and thankfully not on the endangered list. Let's hope climate change doesn't change that. With a lifespan of 50 years, some have been found up to 125 years old. You'll find it hard to find a narwhal as they spend months at a time under the sea. They survive by finding small cracks in the ice to take the breathe while remaining hidden. They eat fish, squid and shrimp and can grow up to 17 feet and 4,200 pounds, the size of a small car. They truly are the unicorn of the sea. Thank you for watching.